Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier tonight, I just did a video about how to do this, and I started thinking about one. I could tell you how to do another way instead of duplicating that square. Just draw a couple of squares and one big, one little. Go up to Effects and blend it, and let's blend it 45 times. Let's make it black by right-clicking. Now, because it's a blend, we have to go and break the blend apart. And then for this to work, we have to go to Object and group that together. Now, the circle is by far much better. But if you just wanted a different type look, we can select both those and go up to the Intersect tool. And you've got a totally different look that might appeal to somebody. Now, another thing I just thought, and the reason I really decided to make the video, is that earlier we did it with an ellipse. And so if you took your twirl tool and you can't really twirl from the center because it's going to just spin the circles. But if you click on your item and twirl it, you're going to get a total different look. And because it's a kind of a messed up pattern, it took a little while. Go up here and intersect it. Now let's look at our pattern. Pretty cool, pretty different design. Totally different. And then, of course, if you wanted to fill those in with black, you could just right-click, or left-click, sorry, and make a total different looking dog. And you could play around that and put it many, many times in there at different intervals because the dog is still there. And just put it down here and do the exact same thing. Go to the Intersect tool. Whoop. I used the wrong tool. Go to the Intersect tool. And you have a completely looking different animal. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.